The LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video about Google. So I'm on TheVerge.com here, and Google is shutting down another app. So this time they'll be shutting down Allo. Allo is their messaging app for Android. So yeah, this is pretty interesting. Now Google is shutting down another app. So this is the third app in a row in like a few weeks that Google will be shutting down over time. First one was Google Plus. And then last week they announced Hangouts, and now they'll be shutting down Allo. So, yeah, so this is pretty interesting. So let's check it out, see what it has to say about it, shall we? Google just shutting everything down right now. Google is just shutting everything down, you know what I'm saying? So let me go back up top here. So it says here, Google has officially announced that it's shutting down Allo, ending the run of yet another failed Google Chat app experiment. The news isn't entirely surprising given that Google has already paused investment in Allo back in April. Wow, that's interesting. Back then, the head of communications group at Google noted that Allo as a whole has not achieved the level of traction as we hoped for. So sad news there. I never used Allo, so yeah, if you guys have ever used it, let me know. When Google launched Allo, it was supposed to compete with Apple's iMessage thing, and but it failed. So so they're gonna be shutting down Allo, which is fucking insane, but it is no surprise in there. It says Allo will continue to work through March 2019. Google says, and users will be able to export their conversations history until then. So I guess they're gonna shut it down March 2019. I guess. God damn, dude. Google Plus is gonna be shutting down in 2019, and Allo's gonna be shutting down in 2019, and Hangouts will be shutting down in 2020. Dude, it's just fucking crazy. Like I said, Google, it just shutting everything down. It says there, the timing for Allo's pending shutdown is particularly apt, given that Verizon is set to officially launch RCS chat on the Pixel 3 and Pixel 3 XL on December 6th, which is today, guys, as of this video recording. So if you guys have a Pixel 3 or Pixel 3 XL on Verizon, you guys should be getting the RCS chat thing on there today at Verizon. It says, unlike Allo, RCS chat will be carrier based in its implementation and could finally give Google the sort of iMessage competitor it's been looking for on Android for all these years. About though a service that won't actually be run by Google at all. It's also important to point out that RCS chat is not the same thing as Google's Hangouts chat. The rebranded version of Google Hangouts designed for enterprise users will eventually replace the classic Hangouts experience with something that looks similar to services like Slack. Google says Hangouts Chat and Meet, the video clip solution, will both be available to existing users at some point. So yeah, Google is shutting everything down, like I said. So this is the third app that Google will be shutting down here within the last recent weeks. So they're shutting down Google Plus, Google Hangouts, and now Google Allo will be shutting its doors. So you guys can use this app until March 2019, and then you guys won't be able to use it anymore. So yeah, this is pretty interesting, but I guess that reason why Google was shutting down Allo because it did not get the traction that Google was hoping for with Allo, and Allo was supposed to be a iMessage competitor, which as you guys know, iMessage is better. I never use iMessage, so I can't really say that, but I'm sure that iMessage is better than Google Allo, but so it's not really no surprise in there. that Google was shutting down these apps because a lot of people ain't really using the apps. I mean, Google Plus sucks ass anyway. The only reason why I have Google Plus in the first place is because of fucking Google's YouTube bullshit they did a few years back, where they made everyone on YouTube make a Google Plus account, and that's the only reason why I have Google Plus right now, because of Google's bullshit. So, you know, I don't use the Hangouts. I never used Hangouts. I never used Allo. I never used that before. So, yeah, it's just pretty interesting, guys. So if you guys have used these apps, you guys might want to be thinking about alternatives to be using when these apps do officially shut down. So, yeah, what do you guys think about Google shutting down Allo? And have you guys ever used Allo before and stuff like that? So, I think that Allo is supposed to be shutting down like March 2019 or something like that. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If you like, smile a lot. Peace, rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.